Hey, I'm Justin Rigling, CTO at Rigado, and I'm here at AWS reInvent 2018 to demonstrate an IoT asset tracking and cold chain monitoring solution. This example is using AWS Greengrass 1.7 running on our Cascade gateway to capture sensor data from Bluetooth tags here, Ruby tags, which are sending temperature, environmental sensor data, to monitor something like a vaccine, which needs to stay in a very tight temperature range in order to be safe to administer to patients. This stack uses Bluetooth because it is low power and can be affordable when you're buying lots of tags. It uses Edge Connect, a feature of Cascade that makes Bluetooth really easy to work with without knowing how to deal with Bluetooth characteristics or UUIDs or any of those things. It uses Greengrass to make deploying new functions to the gateway super simple using the Lambda functions that AWS has. Those Lambda functions can access Edge Connect and get the data from Bluetooth in a fashion that's very similar to how a web developer is used to making API calls. On the Lambda function in the gateway, we're taking that data and observing 5 minutes of data and looking for excursions, so if the temperature goes above or below its safe range. And if those happen, we send an SNS alert to a smartphone using email or text messages or some other mechanism. And then that can alert if the temperature is out of range for a device. But also we want to track where these devices are. So if one of these gateways is in the factory and we're receiving Bluetooth data from it in the factory, we know that that drug is still, or that vaccine is still in the manufacturing facility. We can also have them throughout the chain, so in a transportation vehicle or in a warehouse or eventually in the hospital. So we're also tracking RSSI and other things you might use to do with a network of gateways, a more precise positioning of where that is in a hospital, and sending all of that into AWS IoT. This example is taking that AWS IoT data out of the stream and putting it into CloudWatch so that we can get a very simple visualization of the data. Now, if you're going to do something more complicated with that data, you might pump it through Kinesis and do much more complicated analytics on it. But for this demo, we're keeping it simple. So that's our IoT asset tracking and cold chain monitoring solution. Come check it out here at our booth number 735 or at the Executive Briefing Center in the ARIA here at AWS reInvent.